Hi, welcome along to this tutorial showing you how to import all of your data using a CSV spreadsheet. So first of all, before I actually show you on the system how to do everything here, I just want to pull in the spreadsheet and just give you a couple of little pointers here to help you so that your data will go in nicely and in the right way and you won't get any issues. First of all, you need to make sure you've got the right headings at the top. And the first point there is you need to split every single bit of information to its own column. So for example, first name, last name are in its own column here. You couldn't have the whole name in one column, otherwise you wouldn't be able to differentiate between the two fields in the system. The second thing here is phone numbers. You need to split your landline numbers and your mobile numbers, and the reason for that is the text facility that exists in Dynamite. So I'm only inputting some mobile numbers here. Another key thing to make sure when you do put the mobile numbers in is that the 0 is there, and the way that you do that is make sure when you type the number in you put the spaces in. If you don't put the spaces in, then when you save this as a CSV, and I'll show you how to do that in a sec, the zeros will be removed and the number won't work as a text. So just make sure that when you're going through and organising your data before you upload it, you make sure that all of those kind of key things are done. Next thing you need to do is make sure that it's not an Excel sheet, it's saved as CSV. So if you just click here and go to File, Save As, and what you'll have here is, you can see this is already a CSV, but typically what you might find out is your file will look like this as an Excel workbook. So what you need to do is just click on the drop down here and scroll down and highlight this one here, CSV, delimited. Once you've done that, and you can save your file in the normal way as that, you'll be able to upload the data, no problems. No, because I've already got it saved. Don't want to do that. So if I just close those down, no, thank you, and move across, and we can go back now into Dynamite. So when we come to ready to upload our data, the first thing we need to do is go to the import and export button here. So if we just click on there, okay, so now we're in the upload screen, as I like to call it. So we're going to upload using a CSV. So the first thing we're going to do is browse and upload our file. So this is where you will go and collect the file wherever you saved it that we just showed you. Okay, so I've picked my file there. Now the next decision that you need to make here is, do you want to just import your contacts or would you like to add them to a group? For me, I think it's always the best thing to do within a CRM system is make sure that you've got all your data groups. So I'm just going to do that and name, and you can choose the name of a group here. So I'm going to call this N5 staff. First March. Okay, so I've highlighted that one. If you've already got an existing group and you want to add data to it, you see there's another selection there. But I'm going to do it that way. So I'm going to save and continue. Okay, so my data now has all been uploaded. The next stage that I need to do here is actually need to go in and map the data. So you can see contact row 1 is your headers, the ones that we've chosen. Okay, and then contact row 2 is the first example that we've got. So if we just click here, we want to map first name to first name. Right reasons there. You want to map the last name to the last name. Address, you want to do that to business address 1. Address 2 to business address 2. City, business city. County, business county. Postcode, business postcode. Email address to email address 1. If you have got multiple addresses and various things, you can see here there are other addresses in. Also you can upload things like birthdays and various items. But we're just putting the kind of main basic data you're going to need in here. And then at the bottom here you want to pick phone. Now the trick here is just to pick mobile phone if it's the mobile numbers, because otherwise what you'll find is that they won't actually send the texts. So you need to make sure that the right field is mapped to the right phone number. So we'll select mobile phone number here. So they're all mapped, fantastic. Upload. And you can see now that our 8 contacts have been imported fantastically. Now if we want to go and check those, we just go to the contact button here on the top, and we can see our groups down the side, and they can see there's my M5 staff, and you can see all my data has been uploaded as exactly I'd like to. And that's how you upload your contacts. Yeah, good, thanks.